everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jason and I typically do unboxings on my channel. I do a few other things here and there, some baking or cooking videos, some vlogs, things like that, but mostly unboxings. So today's video is going to be another unboxing, and this is a fairly new subscription to me. This is actually only the second month that I have gotten this subscription. Before I say any more, let's just go ahead and do the unboxing and then we'll talk. So, this is for, I don't know how well you can see it with this ring light here, but this is Medusa's makeup. Now, this is a monthly subscription, and I believe it ends up being, for me at least, about like $23 a month. I believe you get 5 full-size products, I'm pretty sure. What I like about the company is that they are, I believe they are cruelty-free and vegan, yes. So cruelty-free and vegan, and they do donate a portion of their profits to animal shelters, which I love. So those are the things that I like about this company. I will link the first video I did for this, which was last month's box. This is for the month of September. So I did get August's box as well, that I will link. I'll probably put it in the card at the end of the video. But I didn't want to judge it too much based on the first box, so I thought I would give it at least a second box. So let's just see what's in this box. This is for September 2022. And I don't know why I keep thinking we're in 2023. You know, the time is strange now after the whole pandemic thing. So anyway, this is September's box, and sorry about the ring light reflection there, and then what I like about this company as well is on the back you get a list of the products that are in your bag and the retail value of the whole bag. So, like I said, this one was about $23 for me, and they're saying that the retail value is $84.95. So if you go based on this, you definitely get your money's worth. Then here we have this here. So 20% off your next order if you use that code, if you are interested. So, and then the products come in a little like bubble makeup bag like this, which is kind of fun. It's got the zip opening here. Last month's, I believe, was more of a pink color to it. So let's go ahead and pull out the items and see what we have. And I will be able to tell you the retail value because, wait, will I? Hold on. Let me make sure it's yes. So I will be able to tell you because it is on the card. So that is the bag empty, which is nice. You know, you can definitely use these for different things. So it's almost like with Ipsy, you know, you get the bag. I did end up canceling my Ipsy for this in hopes that it would be better. So I don't know, we'll see. First thing I'm going to pull out here is going to be, they put a bonus item in here. And the bonus item is this little sleep mask. If you're into sleep masks, I'm sure you would appreciate that. I'm not necessarily into sleep masks, so that doesn't do much for me. Next item here, and let's see, what was that sleep mask's retail value? Medusa's sleep eye mask retails for $9.95. So, next thing in here, so this is Sweet Dreams Facial Serum, cruelty-free and vegan. I don't know why I'm going to say that. They're all cruelty-free and vegan, so, but it's this here. And let's see what this Sweet Dreams Facial Serum. This retails for $18. I'm not going to open it because I have so many serums. I don't want it to start to go bad. But I probably, because I have so many and I don't use them, I'll probably just put this in a future giveaway. So, but this, like I said, $18. It almost pays for the bag itself. So there is that. And then we have, let's see. Looks like we have a single eyeshadow. And let me go ahead and pull it out of the box so that you can see the color better. And so when you pull it out, let's see here, if I can get, I am not going to swatch it because I have other colors like this. So that it's like a silver. It does have like a shimmer to it. So it looks like it's a shimmer, not a matte. So, yeah, got that. I don't know what the formula is like because, like I said, I don't want to swatch it because I have other shadows that are close to this. But this retails for baked eyeshadow $12. So, I don't know how I feel about $12 for a single eyeshadow when I have palettes, eyeshadow palettes that are similar in price. So, anyway, we got that. Next thing is going to be from So Susan, and it's moisturizing tinted lip salve. And let's see if this is Cherry Gleam is the shade, I guess. And here we go. This is what it looks like. It is sealed. Again, I'm not going to take the seal off because I know I won't be using that. So that'll go in a future giveaway as well. That is going to be, let's see, the retail value for that is So Susan's Lip Dew, $19. So this is $19. All right, like I said, you definitely get your value for what you pay in the box. Let's see. This is Medusa Makeup Witch Lash. And I can't read what it says, but maybe you can make that out. I'm assuming it's just a mascara. It does have a little, let's see, safety seal on, or the, I can't talk today. Let's see here. There we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna assume it's a it's a mascara. On the card, I can see that it's a mascara. It's a mini mascara, and this retails for $12. I'm not gonna open this because I literally, just before filming this video, I went through my makeup drawers and I threw away a bunch of mascaras because they were getting old. So yeah, I'm not going to open that up, but that retails for $12. So we got the mascara, and we've got one more product in here. This is liquid lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick. It looks like it's in a hot pink color. This is Medusa's liquid lipstick, and it retails for $14. And it's in the shade Vixen. Let's see here if I can get this open. I'm gonna rip the box here, unfortunately, but I didn't get my knife with me, so wow, this is definitely a hot pink color. So I have some ColourPop's lip plumper on my lips right now, so if my lips look really glossy, that's what I have on my lips. You know, they're so juicy product. I would never use a color like this. I'm just not a hot pink type of person, so I'm not going to swatch this either. I will definitely put it in a future giveaway. And just like everything in this box, this whole box is going to go for a future giveaway. So let's go ahead and recap really quickly what we got. We have this hot pink liquid lipstick. We have the mascara. We have the So Susan Lip Dew. I probably, if anything in this box I would use, it would probably be this one, but I'm not going to open it because I have so many others open at the moment. So we have the single eyeshadow for $12, which again, I have other eyeshadow palettes that have similar colors in it, and I'm kind of disappointed that I would never pay $12 for a single eyeshadow like this. And the face serum, and then you got the bonus sleep mask. What did I think of the box? Let's put it this way, I have canceled my subscription, unfortunately. So I gave it a couple boxes. I was not impressed with the first box, and unfortunately I wasn't really impressed with this box. I do like indie brands, and like I said, I like a lot of things about this company. I like the fact that they donate proceeds to animal shelters. I like that they're vegan and cruelty free. But I think beyond that, the products that I've gotten in both boxes are not really on par with, let's say for instance, I also subscribe to Ice Cream Beauty, and I've pretty much always been happy with what I get in Ice Cream Beauty. So I'm going to go back to, I'm trying to decide which subscription I want to replace this with. I'm thinking of 3 different ones. I'm thinking of either going back to BoxyCharm, which I've gone off and on with since I've, started unboxings 2 years ago. I get bored of BoxyCharm sometimes because I feel just like with Ipsy, they don't really pay attention to your profile too much. But I do like the fact that occasionally you get higher end makeup products in those boxes. I'm also thinking of a Slay Glam box or Blink Wink. I've seen Just Anne unbox both those, and it seems that the few unboxings that I've watched of those, they've been good subscriptions. So anyway, if you actually have a preference of what you'd like to see me unbox, could be one of those 3, could be another beauty subscription altogether, let me know in the comments below, and I'll look into those and see if any of them would be good for me to get. So anyway, I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. I do have another video right now that has a giveaway going on, so I will link that one in the description below, but go ahead and give that one a watch. The giveaway goes until I hit 800 subscribers. Right now I'm hovering around 760-ish, so it's not too far away. But yeah, the giveaway basically ends when I hit 800 subscribers, and then I'm probably going to do other giveaways from there for the next set of milestones. So, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just put all of this in a giveaway, probably a giveaway really soon. I am expecting, I ordered a couple products from Juvia's Place, which just had a really nice sale. I don't know if the sale is still going on. I think it was a Labor Day sale. So, but when I get those, I'm gonna film that video and I will post that. But other than that, let me know what you think of the box. Would you be happy with this box, or do you kind of feel the same way as me? Like it's not really not doing it for me. So anyway, thank you all for watching. I do appreciate everybody. Again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, if you would please subscribe, that would be so great. As well as the thumbs up video. thumbs up button. And then also, I do know that sometimes you've got to click the little bell icon and click all for notifications if you are subscribed. Because I believe that YouTube turns it off and on every so often. So so make sure that if you have that bell notification on, you're clicking all. So you can be notified when I do post new videos. I'm gonna try to post more consistently, at least once a week. I go back to work next week. I have been off for a few months. I go back next week, so I am gonna still push myself to try to upload at least once a week. So yeah, all right. That'll do it for me. I keep jabbering on and keep finding something else to talk about, so I'm gonna stop now. Thank you all for watching. I hope everybody is staying happy and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.